Previously on YaDu's vlogs.
What's up, Gendies and Ladelman? I'm YaDu, and today I'm going to Austria. I'm going on a 2-week trip. Let's go.
I want to do that because it seems awesome. And the ski lift.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently day 4, day 3, day 4, day 3, day 3, 5. So after some asking around, I actually found out it's day 4 today. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go walk through a river, hopefully to a place we can cliff dive again. But yeah, onto some new cool activities. Let's go. By the way, if you think my voice sounds like crap, that's because I just woke up. So yeah, that's true.
Alright, so we are currently walking through the river. I don't know if you can understand me because the water is really loud. There's a waterfall. We are walking that way, hopefully to end up at some cliff jumping spots. It's just so beautiful here. Let's go, look at this. Also a small swimming pool in front. Maybe we can do some swimming. Sick, it's beautiful. I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, so this is where we're going to be chilling for the rest of the day. Probably some swimming, hopefully we can jump off of that. And mainly the water will be deep enough to jump off of. This is like the drop. Bruni, don't jump off, you dog. But yeah, it's pretty deep. There's a little waterfall as well. Let's see. It's deep enough. Woo! Alright, so we're done here. We're leaving for today. This was flipping awesome. This was so awesome. Seriously, jumping from all those 3 with the flips on the middle one. It's just so damn sick. Cliff jumping is just something I've always so much enjoyed. Doing this here, being able to do flips off of it, jumping off it, in the nature, amazing. I love it. Good morning. It's currently day 5. Today we are going sledding on a mountain, on the rails. The thing I talked about on the first day. I have my GoPro with me again, so it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be cool. Yeah, I already said cool. I'm excited. Are you excited? Are you guys excited? Let's go. So we're gonna be riding in one of these cars all the way down this hill on that rails. The trail is super long, so it's gonna be cool. Let's go. Okay, so the sun is shining. It's day 6. It's a beautiful day. Good morning. Again, my eyes are closed because of the sun. This works better. Today, we are going back to the cliff jumping spot. It's gonna be really sick. I'm gonna take my GoPro with me again, even though it kind of broke last time, but that's okay. I'm so excited. Let's go. We made it to the waterfall again. We're gonna chill there for the rest of the afternoon, just swimming, cliff jumping, doing awesome stuff. Probably some more flips, because that's cool. Flips are awesome.
We are taking over the vlog. We had a new vlogging team. Hello. So he's first gonna do the pussy jump. He survived. So maybe now he's gonna do something more impressive. This is the flapper flop. That's the way to grab the wall. It did not work.
At the waterfall, I'm gonna climb up and jump. Every time I have to climb up on the rocks, through the forest, through the jungle again, but it's all worth it. Ow, my back hurts. Made it! Also, I'm like completely dry, so it's gonna be the first jump straight into the water. That always sucks, but yeah, let's just do it. We're gonna do a flip as well, just send it, let's go. Okay, so I don't know why, but I'm tempted again to do a double front. Let's just send it. I don't know why, but let's go. That was stupid. Is it red?
Yes.
Ouch. Well, that idea wasn't my smartest one. That hurt.
Again!
No! Taking the side flips and front 180s. No doubles anymore. Just saw my own footage back. I didn't commit to jump, like, at all. No surprise I failed, because with that attitude, you're not getting anywhere. Commit your jumps, or don't do them at all. Okay, so we're done here for today. We're leaving this place, probably like forever. But yeah, I had so much fun here, even though I tumbled on my double front, which was actually a terrible attempt. I had a blast. It was sick. That's basically like, that sums it all up. It was sick. Okay, what's up guys? This is the end of this part of the video. It's gonna be a new video up next Saturday. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below if you're new. For now, bye. 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 Bye.